ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ సో ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏవైతే డిఫరెంట్ టెక్నిక్స్ చెప్తానో సో ప్రతి మోడల్కి మన నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. మన టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో చాలా నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సాల్వ్ చేస్తేనే మనకు ఆ టెక్నిక్ అనేది గుర్తు ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? సో దెన్ కమింగ్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ మోడల్. సపోజ్ ద ఇంటిగ్రల్స్ ఆర్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫార్మ్ 1 by a plus b cos x dx or 1 by a plus b sin x dx. ఓకేనా? దెన్ you have to put tan x by 2 equal to t. Okay, if the integrals are in this form. Okay, of course, if the integrals like this also, integral 1 by a cos x plus b sin x dx, in this way also. Okay, you have to put tan x by 2 equal to 2. Now make differentiation, what you will get? Okay, tan x by 2 secant square x by 2 into 1 by 2 dx equal to dt. Fine. Now this is secant square x by 2 can be written as 1 plus tan square x by 2 dx equal to 2 dt. Okay, 2 right side move change. Now 1 plus, what is tan x by 2? T. So 1 plus t square dx equal to 2 dt. Okay. Now what is dx? Dx equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Okay. You have to remember this. If the integrals are in this form, you have to take tan x by 2 equal to t. Then dx becomes 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Suppose here in place of cos x, cos 2x is given. In place of sin x, sin 2x is given. Then you have to take tan x equal to t. Okay, na? If you give cos 2x, then you have to take tan x equal to t and proceed. Okay. Now we will give one example. Okay, so now take example. So integral dx by 3 cos x plus 4 sin x plus 6. So this is of the form integral 1 by a cos x plus b sin x dx. Okay, na? Now what you have to consider here? Put tan x by 2 equal to t. Then what about dx? In this case dx equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. I already explained. Okay, dx equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Now the problem becomes integral. So dx is 2 dt by 1 plus t square by 3 into. Now cos x can be written as 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus sin x can be written as 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 6. Now this is equal to integral 2 dt by 1 plus t square by, so 3 into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square plus 4 into 2t by 1 plus t square plus 6. Okay, na? Now this is equal to integral 2 dt by 1 plus t square. In denominator the LCM is 1 plus t square. Okay, na? So 3 into 1 minus t square plus 8t plus 6 into 1 plus t square all by 1 plus t square. Okay. Now in denominator 1 plus t square will be cancelled. Then So this is equal to integral 2 dt by integral 2 dt by 3 minus 3t square plus 8t, okay, plus 6 plus 6t square. So this is equal to 2 integral dt by now 6t square minus 3t square, 3t square, okay, plus 8t plus 9, okay na? Now this is quadratic form, ax square plus bx plus c, okay. Now what you have to do, you have to write this is of the form a into x minus alpha whole square plus beta square, okay na? So 3t square plus 8t plus 9 is equal to 3 into t square plus 8 by 3t plus 3. Now this is equal to 3 into t square plus 2 into 4 by 3t plus 16 by 9 minus 16 by 9 plus 3. So b square term adding and subtracting. So this is equal to 3 into, what is the value of this one? T plus 4 by 3 whole square. Now this is 27 minus 16, 11 by 9, 11 by 9. So this is equal to 3 into t plus 4 by 3 whole square plus root 11 by 3 whole square. Fine. Now substitute this value here. Okay. So this is equal to 2 integral dt by, so in place of this you have to write this one, 3 into t plus 4 by 3 whole square plus root 11 by 3 whole square. So this is equal to 2 by 3 integral dt by t plus 4 by 3 whole square plus root 11 by 3 whole square. Okay. Now this is of the form integral 1 by x square plus a square, x square plus a square. So this is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. So which is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So 1 by a, what is the a value? Root 11 by 3. Tan inverse x by a, t plus 4 by 3 by root 11 by 3. Okay. Plus c. So this is equal to, so 3 will be cancelled, 2 by root 11 tan inverse. So here 3t plus 4 by root 11 plus c. Okay. Now this is equal to 2 by root 11 tan inverse, what is the value of t? Tan x by 2 plus 4 by root 11 plus c. Understood? So if the problem is given in this form, you have to consider tan x by 2 equal to t. So dx equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Okay na? Okay, next evaluation of the integrals of the form integral 1 by a plus b cos square x dx, or integral 1 by a plus b sin square x dx, or integral 1 by a cos square x plus b sin x cos x plus c sin square x dx. Okay now. So if the problems are given like this, you have to divide numerator and denominator with cos square x. Okay, you have to divide numerator and denominator with cos square x. Okay, divide numerator and denominator by cos square x and put tan x equal to t. Put tan x equal to t. Okay na? So let us give an example. So find the integral of 1 by 2 cos square x plus 3 sin square x dx. 2 cos square x plus 3 sin square x dx. Okay na? Now this is of the form here. You can consider this one because b is 0 here. Assume like that. Now what you have to do? So divide this with cos square x. So divide by cos square x. Divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So what you will get? Integral 1 by cos square x by, this is 2 plus 3 into sin square by cos square tan square x dx. Okay. Now this is equal to integral 1 by cos square x is secant square x. Secant square x by 2 plus 3 tan square x dx. Now what we have to do? So put tan x equal to t. So put tan x equal to t. So then by differentiating, what you will get? Secant square x dx equal to dt. Secant square x dx equal to dt. So the problem becomes integral secant square x dx is dt. So numerator is dt by 2 plus 3 t square. 2 plus 3 t square. Now this is equal to, so take 3 outside, integral dt by 2 by 3 plus t square. Okay. Now this is 1 by 3 integral dt by, this is root 2 by 3 whole square plus t square. Now this is of the form 1 by a square plus x square. 1 by a square plus x square. So 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So this is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by a root 2 by 3. Okay. 1 by a tan inverse x by a t by root 2 by 3. Yes, plus c. Now what you have to do? So you have to substitute tan x in place of t. Okay. So this equal to, so root 3 will be cancelled, 1 by root 6 tan inverse. So this one is root 3 tan x by root 2 plus c. Okay na? Okay. So in last class we discussed the different techniques to find the integration of the functions. Okay na? Now next integration of the irrational functions. Yes. Suppose the function is of the form integral 1 by ax plus b square root of px plus q dx, and integral 1 by ax square plus bx plus c into square root of px plus q. These are the irrational functions. Next, integral 1 by ax plus b square root of px square plus qx plus r dx. Next, integral 1 by ax square plus bx plus c into square root of px square plus qx plus r dx. Okay. If the functions are in this form, how we will proceed? If the given function is like this, you have to consider put px plus q equal to t square, px plus q, okay, px plus q equal to t square. Here also put px plus q equal to t square. In this problem, see, this is under root, this is the quadratic polynomial, okay na? In this case, you have to take, put ax plus b equal to 1 by t, ax plus b equal to 1 by t. See, in root, if linear function is there, you have to take that linear function as a t square. Under root, quadratic polynomial is there, then here you have to take ax plus b equal to 1 by t. Okay. Now here see, these two are, see, this one and this one, both are quadratic polynomial. Both are quadratic polynomial. In this case, you have to take, put x equal to 1 by t, x equal to 1 by t. Then this problem, okay, then this problem converts to this problem. Okay, if you once substitute x equal to 1 by t, then this will convert to this model. Again, you have to take in this part as a t square. Then you will, that means you have to substitute 2 times. You have to substitute 2 times. Okay, now then you will get answer this type of problems. Okay, so you have to remember these substitutions. Okay, clear? Now we will give example. Okay, so let us take example. So find the integral of dx by 1 plus x into square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square on open interval minus 1 comma 3. So this is the domain of this function. Okay, the domain of this function. Now this is of the form integral dx by ax plus b square root of px square plus qx plus r. Now what we have to consider here, the substitution is 1 plus x, that is ax plus b equal to 1 by t. Okay na? So let 1 plus x equal to 1 by t. 1 plus x equal to 1 by t. So from this, x equal to 1 by t minus 1. Now what is dx? Differentiate with respect to x. Dx equal to minus 1 by t square dt. Okay. Now substitute this x value in this function and dx value also. Okay. Now the problem becomes integral. Okay. So what is dx? Minus 1 by t square dt by what is 1 plus x? 1 by t square root of 3 plus 2 into what is x value? 1 by t minus 1 minus 1 by t minus 1 whole square. Okay. Now simplify this. So this is equal to integral here minus 1 by t square by 1 by t square root of, simplify this, what you will get? 3 plus, okay, 3 plus 2 into 1 minus t by t minus, this is 1 minus t by t whole square. Okay na? Now this is equal to integral minus 1 by t square dt whole by 1 by t square root of, here what is LCM? T square is the LCM. Okay na? So 3t square plus 2t into 1 minus t, yes, minus 1 minus t whole square whole by t square. Okay. Now this is equal to integral minus 1 by t square dt whole by 1 by, here under root t square is there now. If you take outside, it will be t. So 1 by t square square root of 3t square. Okay. So plus 2t minus 2t square. Okay. Minus of 1 minus t whole square, 1 plus t square minus 2t. Okay. Now here 1 by t square will be cancelled. 1 by t square will be cancelled. Now this is equal to integral minus integral dt by square root of 3t square minus 2t square. Okay. Here also minus t square. That means 3t square will be cancelled. Now what is the remaining? 2t. Okay. 2t plus 2t. 4t. 4t. Next constant is minus 1. See, minus integral dt by square root of 4t minus 1. So take outside 4. This becomes minus 1 by 2 integral dt by square root of, okay, t minus 1 by 4. Okay. Now this can be written as So this is equal to minus 1 by 2 integral t minus 1 by 4 whole power minus 1 by 2 dt. Yes or no? Root means 1 by 2. So if you go upside, it will become minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now this is of the form integral x power n. Integral x power n equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay na? So this is equal to minus 1 by 2 t minus 1 by 4 whole power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Okay. Now this is equal to minus 1 by 2. So what is this value? This is t minus 1 by 4 whole power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c. So here 1 by 2 will be cancelled. Now what you will get? So this one is equal to minus of, okay, minus of t minus 1 by 4, which is nothing but root, okay, plus c. So still you can simplify this. So this is equal to minus square root of 4t minus 1 by 4 plus c. So this is equal to minus 1 by 2, okay, minus 1 by 2 square root of 4t minus 1 plus c. Okay. So this is equal to minus 1 by 2 square root of, what is t? You have to substitute, reback again t. 4 into what is t? T equal to 1 by 1 plus x, because what we consider 1 plus x equal to 1 by t na, 1 plus x equal to 1 by t. So t equal to 1 by 1 plus x minus 1 plus c. So this equal to minus 1 by 2 square root of, this is 4 minus 1 plus x by 1 plus x, okay, plus c. Now what is the value of this one? Minus 1 by 2 square root of 4 minus 1 3 minus x by 1 plus x plus c. Okay na? So this is the answer. Understood? Okay, so example for next model. Integral dx by 1 plus x square root of 1 minus x square. So this is the form integral dx by ax square plus bx plus c into square root of px square plus qx plus r. Okay na? So here both are quadratic polynomial. So what we have to substitute? Yes, you have to substitute x equal to 1 by t. Okay na? So substitute x equal to 1 by t. Now what is dx? Dx equal to minus 1 by t square dt. Okay. Now the problem becomes integral, so minus 1 by t square dt by, okay, 1 plus x square 1 by t square square root of, this is 1 minus 1 by t square. So this is equal to integral minus 1 by t square dt by, so this one is t square plus 1, t square plus 1 by t square square root of, this one is t square minus 1 by t square, that is by t, okay, under root t square. So if you come outside, it is t. Now this equal to integral minus 1 by t square, this becomes t cube now, so into t cube by t square plus 1 square root of t square minus 1, okay. Now here t square, here t square will be cancelled, 1t will be there, okay. So this is equal to minus integral minus t dt by t square plus 1 into square root of t square minus 1, okay. Now again you have to substitute this t square minus 1 as a some z square, okay na. So let t square minus 1 equal to z square. Then this is 2t dt equal to 2z dz, 2z dz. So 2 will be cancelled. So t dt equal to z dz. So the problem becomes minus, here already write minus, okay, minus integral, so t dt, so z dz by, so t square plus 1. So what is the value of t square? Z square plus 1. So this is z square plus 1 plus 1 square root of t square minus 1 is z square, okay. Now this is equal to minus integral z dz by z square plus 2, this is z, okay. So here z will be cancelled, z will be cancelled. Now this is minus integral dz by, this is z square plus 2 can be written as root 2 whole square. Now this is of the form integral 1 by a square plus x square dx, okay na. So that is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So this is equal to minus 1 by a, 1 by root 2 tan inverse x by a, which is z by root 2 plus c. Okay. Now this is equal to minus 1 by root 2 tan inverse. What is the value of z? The value of z is square root of t square minus 1. T square minus 1 by root 2 plus c. But what is t? T is 1 by x. So minus 1 by root 2 tan inverse t is 1 by x. So 1 by x square minus 1 under root by root 2 plus c. So this is equal to minus 1 by root 2 tan inverse. Okay. So 1 minus x square by this one is by 2x square whole root. Okay na? 2x square plus c. Understood?